Has anyone ever taught you the spiritual reason for cracking your neck? We all have energy that flows up and down our spine all day long, but our habits and our beliefs, often learned in childhood, affect how well that energy flows. When we crack our neck, we're energetically blocking that flow. We're stopping it at the throat center or the center for expression. And you can look at your own past. Do you have a habit of biting your tongue, swallowing your feelings, or saying what you think people want to hear rather than what you truly feel? When we do that often enough, we can create an energetic blockage in the throat and also a habit of getting comfortable blocking our own expression.